So Christmas is around the corner and I want us all to glow up. Hi my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite Amarachi Favy. And if today is the very first day you're seeing my face on your screen, you are welcome to my channel. My name is Amarachi Favy and over here we do all things related to skincare, feminine hygiene, and we also give girls tips. And this is the beginning of our Christmas glow up series. So I would want you to say subscribe to this channel so that you would get all the information that you need to get on how you are going to glow up this particular period. Okay, if you want to glow up for Christmas, for Oble December, this is the channel you should stay subscribed to. In this very video, I'll be sharing with you the easiest Christmas glow up fix. I call it glow up fix because it contains the face and the body care routine that you're supposed to follow this period. If this kind of video is the kind of video you're interested to watch, sit back, get your jotter, get your biro, because you are going to be taking notes of the products that I'm going to be showing you in this video. Let's just start, okay? So for the cleanser that you're going to be needing in this particular routine is from Face Fact. This is Face Fact foaming cleanser, and this particular foaming cleanser is very, very good because it contains ceramide, it contains niacinamide, it also contains hyaluronic acid. And the ceramide is a barrier protecting ingredient that can help you to protect your skin barrier, and also it can also help to repair your broken skin barrier just in case your skin barrier is already broken. It also contains niacinamide, which helps to fade dark spots, hyperpigmentation, and just in general give you a clear looking skin. It also contains hyaluronic acid, which would help to lock in moisture just in case you have a dry skin or a sensitive skin. This particular face wash or face cleanser is best for you, so it is a good start when it comes to this particular glow fix routine. After your cleanser, you're going to be needing a toner. Toners are very, very compulsory in this particular routine. Sometimes toners might not be compulsory in some routines, but if you want to achieve this glow fix that we're talking about for Christmas, you must incorporate toners in this particular routine. And for toners, you're going to be making use of this Aquel 5.5 toner. This particular toner contains licorice extract. Licorice extract targets dark spots, hyperpigmentation, uneven skin tone, and makes your skin to glow like never before. There is this glow that comes in general once you use this toner. If you have been using Aquel toner, you can be able to, confirm to what I'm trying to explain in this very video. This particular toner is very good, and you're supposed to make use of it just after making use of your cleanser. You can use it with a cotton pad, or you can just directly apply it on your palms and press it onto your skin. If you want a demonstrative video on how I use this product, leave a comment in the comment section and I will make sure that I film that particular video showing you step by step on how I go about this product. Okay, so after your toners, you're going to be needing your serums. For serums, no matter the kind of routine that you're following, serums are very, very compulsory, not optional, because serums are more active and they tend to sink fast into your skin and get the job done. And for serums, you're going to be needing the particular one from Ordinary. This is the Ordinary Alpha Arbutin serum. Okay, and the particular one contains alpha arbutin that helps to target dark spots, hyperpigmentation, and just in general give you a clearer looking skin. There's no how your skin can glow if you're still struggling with dark spot, hyperpigmentation, or uneven skin tone. You have noticed something in this routine. This routine is so targeted for you to fix your dark spot, hyperpigmentation, and then give you that glow up that you need, which is what you're going for this particular period. Okay, the particular serum is very, very good. A drop or 2 drops is already enough. You can use it in the morning and you can also use it at night, and you should use it after your toners. Okay, it is very, very, very effective. After your serums, you're going to be needing a moisturizer and a brightening moisturizer at that, and for that you're going to be making use of this tomato gel. This is tomato gel. This tomato gel contains lycopene extract, okay, which is gotten from tomato. Is an extract that is gotten from tomatoes, okay, that would help to lighten up and brighten up your dark spots and give you that instant glow. If you are using tomato gel, you should be able to, confirm or concord what I'm trying to say. There is this instant glow that a particular gel gives on your skin once you apply it. It helps to moisturize your skin, lock in moisture, hydrate your skin, and also brighten your skin so well. This is a powerful brightening moisturizer that can help to brighten your skin, and this is so affordable. In case you're on affordable part, okay, this is so affordable and it works. One thing I know is that all these products I'm recommending in this video, they are affordable, okay, and they work. Not just being affordable, but it is very potent. And after your moisturizers, you're going to be needing a sunscreen. You know that this period the sun is so harsh, so hot, okay, and there is no how I can advise you to go out there without a sunscreen that will protect you from the harmful UV rays. For sunscreens, I'm going to recommend this one from Bio UV, okay. This particular routine is detailed for those that are on a tight budget and still wants to glow up this period. So this is the most affordable sunscreen that you can lay your hands on, that is very potent and effective. This is the Bio UV watery essence that contains the SPF of 50, and it is very potent. It works, okay. It does not clog your pores, and it absorbs quickly onto your skin, and it also protects your skin from the harmful UV rays. So this is a sunscreen that you're going to be making use of, okay. And one thing about this sunscreen is that you should apply it at least 10 minutes before you leave your house, so that the ingredients can set in and then get ready to attack the sun. And also, while you're outside, please remember to always reapply your sunscreen so that you can glow up. Now we are done with the face glow fix, and now we are entering the section of the body glow fix. And for that, you're going to be needing a pre-cleansing bar soap, and for that you're going to be needing this particular pre-cleansing bar soap from Dove. This is Dove pampering bar soap that contains warm vanilla and shea butter. It will help to moisturize your skin, it will help to nourish your skin, and also to help to cleanse your skin. What pre-cleansing does to your skin is that it gets rid of germ, dirt, oil, and just makes your skin to be neat, clean, so that the next product you're going to use in the shower will just go straight to now brighten up your skin. One thing I want to let you know in this particular routine is that you don't even need much brightening products, as long as you are using good moisturizing and nourishing product this particular period. There is no how your skin will not glow up, and this smells amazing, and this moisturizes your skin so well. So this is the first bar soap they're going to be using in the shower. You're going to use this morning, and you're also going to make use of it at night. And after this, you're going to go in with your men's shower gel or your men's shower cream or your men's body wash, okay. And for body wash or shower cream or whatever you choose to call it, I would recommend this particular shower cream from Fruzia. This is Fruzia shower cream. This is a double moisturizing shower cream that contains UV white. It helps to cleanse white your skin. It also helps to promote an even skin tone. And if you cannot lay your hands on the particular one that is the goat milk with UV white, you can also lay your hands on this one that contains the turmeric, carrot, and papaya, okay. You can lay your hands on this, or you can lay your hands on this. These two shower creams are so good, and they help to cleanse your skin so well. I also have the purple one, but that one has also finished. You can also lay your hand on that one. The main thing that these shower creams does is that it helps to nourish your skin, moisturize your skin, hydrate your skin, cleanse your skin, and also help your skin to glow. There's this glow that your skin will be having if you are using Fruzia shower cream. This shower cream is the shower cream that you're going to make use of morning and night in this particular routine. Now you are done from the bathroom, and then you're asking Amarachi, Favy, what lotion can I use? I would recommend you get the particular lotion from Dove. This is the Dove Body Love Pampering Care body lotion for dry skin that contains shea butter and vanilla. This is the sister, okay, to the bar soap that we made use of. This particular body lotion is so nourishing, so moisturizing to the skin, because it contains shea butter that would help to lock in moisture. Remember that this particular period that we're entering is the Harmattan period, and any product that contains shea butter is the kind of product that you should lean towards, okay. The shea butter would help to nourish your skin, moisturize your skin, hydrate your skin. Once your skin is hydrated, once your skin is moisturized, there is no how your skin will not glow. Take that from me. It also contains vanilla, okay, which will make your skin to smell so good. This particular body lotion is made with 100% natural oil, meaning that your skin will be moisturized so well. And I would advise you use this particular one in the morning after your morning shower with the Fruzia shower cream. then you go ahead to apply your Dove body lotion on a damp skin. Remember that I've always said in my videos that once you apply your body lotions on a damp skin, your skin is already on its way to glow up. So please make sure that you always apply your body lotions or your body care product on a damp skin. So for nights, you are going to be making use of a brightening body oil, and this particular body oil is so powerful. Now, most of you would have known the body oil that I want to talk about, but this particular body oil is from Desire. This is Desire Vitamin C body oil, okay? This is 100% natural oil that contains vitamin C. And vitamin C is an antioxidant that helps to brighten up our skin and also give you that luminant glow that you're hoping to achieve. And for this, you're going to use this only at night or during the day, on the days that you know that you're not going out of your house. If you know that you're not going to step out of the house, you can go ahead to use it during the day. But if you know that you are certain that you're going out of the house, please go ahead to apply the Dove body lotion and just leave it at that. So at night, if you want to go extra, you can apply your Dove body lotion and then seal in the moisture using this body oil. But if you know you don't want to do extra, you don't want to do too much, still yet you want to glow, you can just apply the body oil. Only the body oil alone does wonders. This oil might look small to you, but it is very, very potent. It is very, very effective. It is powerful. It works, okay? This body oil is that one body oil that brightens the skin so well, like so well. I've used this body oil like countless bottles, okay? I can't even count it. But the thing is that it works. So if you're looking for that body oil that would help to brighten up your skin this period, this is the one that I would highly recommend. It rapidly enters your skin because it is lightweight and it will just do the job that it's supposed to do. There you have it, my love. This is my easy glow fix before Christmas. Try out this product that I just recommended in this video and tell me thank you in the comment section later once your skin starts glowing. And if you have watched this particular point of the video, please do not forget to subscribe, like, turn on the notification bell so that you get notified once I upload a new video here on YouTube. And also stay tuned because, like I said, this is the first series of this our easy glow up before Christmas. This is the first series of our easy glow up before Christmas, so you don't want to miss out on any of the series because they are all packed with wonderful information and wonderful products and how you can go about them. And until next time, my love, stay glowy and bye.